Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need two essentials right away: a 4G-capable phone and an active Airtel SIM provisioned for LTE. Open your mobile network settings and change the preferred network from automatic or 5G to LTE/4G only. This forces the radio to drop 5G bands. Once done, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds and restart the device so the carrier and handset re-register on 4G. Make sure you use the primary SIM slot if your phone has 2 slots. Then verify signal bars and VO LTE. Next, address provisioning and device level problems. Update your phone's OS and any carrier settings so the radio firmware handles LTE properly. Outdated settings can prefer 5G or mismanaged bands. If the phone still returns to 5G, reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles and re-enter Airtel APN values. Once that's done, test the SIM in a different handset or alternate SIM slot to confirm whether the issue is the device or SIM. These steps reveal whether Airtel provisioning or your phone is causing the 5G fallback. Finally, if the phone and settings are correct, but you still get 5G or unstable connections, call Airtel and request explicit 4G-only provisioning or a fresh LTE-compatible SIM. Sometimes the account is flagged for 5G priority. After their change, restart and verify data and VO LTE calls on LTE. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: try the SIM in a known working LTE phone. If it works there, the problem is your handset. If it doesn't, Airtel must correct provisioning or replace the SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.